additional bigger.
Really? Yes, sir. You did a good job, man.
Thank you.
Everything solid too. Don't too much flex. Thank you for the demo, man.
No problem. Thank you, man.
Josh, right?
Yeah.
Everybody give a like to Josh. Thank you, man. Wow. Nice. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Yeah, my name is Josh Hinckley. I have 4 DefBox 305-15s on an audio pipe 3K, which right now is turned down because of electrical. I don't have good electrical at the moment, so it's only about 1600 watts. That's what's messing me.
You built this?
Yeah.
Looks like you built it in the vehicle.
Yeah.
Wow. That must have been a big project.
Yeah, it was kind of a pain in the ass, to be honest.
Do you know your specs, like cubic specs of the box or the tuning?
It's a 2-to-1 ratio, 7 sealed, 14 ported. It's tuned to 42 on the ported side. I don't really know what the sealed side is.
Yes, sir. And your amp is behind this, I'm guessing?
Yeah, ramp's behind this, and then there's just a twist on the side there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's a little Volkswagen thing.
Nice.
But yeah, just a basic alpha cell AGM and then a lead acid battery. Just
okay.
Simple for now.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. What was your name?
Josh Hinckley.
Josh. All right. Be sure to give Josh a like. Thanks for watching, everybody. Demo time.
If you can, open that door.
Yeah. You guys better with this door open?
Yeah, it's more windy.
Okay. watching the demo, man.
Yeah, no problem.
So you definitely are windy on this side with your pressure holding on that side. The way it offloads
it's louder on lower frequencies for the passenger with that window open.
Yes, sir.
But with this one, it's complete opposite.
Yes, sir. So electrical's a little bad, you said, so you can't turn it too much.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. It's only clamping 1600. It does
1600.
153 on the dash.
That's good though, man. Awesome. You happy with it?
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
Pretty cool. It's my first personal bigger.
Really? Yes, sir. You did a good job, man.
Thank you.
Everything solid too. Don't too much flex. Thank you for the demo,
Yeah,
man.
no problem. Thank you, man.
Josh, right?
Yeah.
Everybody give a like to Josh. Thank you, man. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.